Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 9. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Kaur Khan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters, Suna and Seyran. After Ifakat sees Suna and decides she is the right girl for Farid, the family goes to Gaziantep to ask for Suna's hand in marriage. But before the ceremony, Farid and Seyran meet each other without realizing that they are supposed to become brother and sister-in-law, and Farid is enamored by her. Number 8. Kizil Gonja Lat. Kizil Gonja Lat tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 7. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Layla returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Layla's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. As Layla's thirst for revenge clashes with her rekindled feeling for Jivan, long buried family secrets come to light, forcing everyone to confront the wreckage of their past. Number 6. Kiziljik Sharbati. Kiziljik Sharbati tells the captivating story of the idealistic Dua falling hopelessly in love with a charming man from a devout family whose values clash with those of her mother, creating a powerful drama as they seek to overcome their differences and find harmony. Kiziljik Sharbati explores the powerful evaluation in the idealistic Dua when she finds love at the start of university with a man whose beliefs conflict with those of her mother Kevaljim. An unexpected pregnancy is set to turn Dua's life plans upside down, shaking to the core two families from different worlds. Number 5. Ruzgali Tepe. Halil, who has been going through hard times with his family when his father is imprisoned for slander, vows revenge when he loses the house where he spent his happiest days. After the death of his parents, he puts his revenge plan into action. He is waiting for the day when he will face the Aslanli family who stole his past and his family. This young man who has struggled against difficulties since childhood now returns to the town to take revenge on those who did this evil to him. He has an unexpected encounter with Zainab, the daughter of the wealthiest man in the town. Everything will be more complicated for Halil, who falls in love with Zainab at first sight. Because Zainab is the daughter of the family, Halil wants to take revenge on. Zainab, who looks like a princess at first glance, is a real warrior who keeps her family together and manages the family business after her father's death. Number 4. Seh Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Buk Bey, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Buk Bey comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Buk Bey's daughter Shireen and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 3. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 2. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamu, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scheduled life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 1. Annam Ankara. Zohal Soedashli is the mother of three, married to Hassan, a man emotionally distant and shaped by a troubled childhood. After discovering his infidelity, Zohal, once a respected officer, struggled to rebuild her life and care for her children. Her journey through heartbreak, resilience, and challenges of holding her family together forms the emotional core of this Turkish TV series. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.